This is exercise 2.2 fifth sum. See, if p1 x power x1 into p2 power x2 and into p3 x3 into p4 power x4 is 1 1 3 4 0 0, where p1 p2 p3 p4 are primes. See, these down variables is prime numbers. See, p1 p2 p3 p4 prime means 2 3 5 7 like that. Okay, 11 13 like that in ascending order. So ascending order means the smallest numbers to bigger numbers, 1 2 3 4 like that. Ascending order, the number should be in increasing order. Okay, and x1 x2 x3 x4 are integers. Okay, x1 x2 x3 x4 are integers. Find the value of p1 p2 p3 p4. So the down variables, and x1 x2 x3 x4 are integers. The power numbers also, power variables also we should find. See, using prime factorization, I already teach you the prime factorization. See, the given number is 113400. 113400. The n number is 0 means we can use 2 or 5. Here I am using 2. So 5 2s are 10. Here 11. So the remaining is 1. So this is 13. Okay, 6 2s are 12. So remaining 1. 7 2s are 14. So the remaining 2 zeros come down. Next, 2 table also. 2 2s are 4. So remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. 3 2s are 6. So remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. The 1 0 is come down. Next, 1 2s are 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Remaining 1. 7 2s are 14. So remaining 1. So 5 2s are 10. Next, the n digit is 5. So we can use only 5. So 5 I am using. See, 2 5s are 10. First two numbers, 2 5s are 10. So remaining 4. Okay, so remaining 4. So this is 41. So 8 5s are 40. So remaining 1. 3 5s are 15. So remaining 2. Okay, remaining 2. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, here also 5. So using 5 table. So first 2 digit, 5 5s are 25. So here 28. So remaining 3. 6 5s are 30. Here 33. So remaining 3. 7 5s are 35. Next, here also 5. So I am using 5th table. 7 5s are 35. So here 7. So here 7 table, if you are using 7 table, 1 7s are 7 only. Okay, or 7 10 11 7s are 77. But if you are taking 7 table, we can't find this. So I am using 3 table. 1 3s are 3. So remaining 2. 8 3s are 24. So remaining 2. 9 3s are 27. So here also I am using 3 table. 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3. 7 3s are 21. So 7. So 7 is coming in 7th table. So 1 7s are 7. So now the prime factors are 2 5 3 7. Okay, so how many 2s? 3 2s. 1 2 3 2s. 2 5s. 1 2 2 5s. 3 4 3s. 1 2 3 4 and 1 7. So 2 power 3, 5 power 2, 3 power 4, 7 power 1. So the condition is the primes in ascending order. Okay, the primes in ascending order. So ascending order means we should write 2 3 5 7 like that. 2 3 5 7 like that. So p1 is 2, p2 is 3, p3 is 5, p4 is 7. So this is in ascending order. 2 3 5 7. See, 2 3 5 7. Okay, so next so 2 is if p1 is 2 means p1 p2 p3 p4. So the power x1 is 3, so p1 power only x1, so x1 is 3, p2 power is x2, that is 2, p3 power is x4, x3, so that is, sorry, see here clearly, see here, p1 power x1, p2 power x2 into p3 power x3 into p4 power x4. Okay, so p1 p2 p3 p4 is ascending order, so 2 3 5 7, so these are the prime numbers. We found p1 p2 p3 p4, so we have to find p1 p2, sorry, x1 x2 x3 x4. See here, we got the power is 2 power 3 and 3 power 4 and 5 power 2 and 7 power 1. Okay, so here x1, here 3, so x1 is 3, here 4, here x2, so x2 is 4, so x3 2, so x3 is 2, so x4 1, so x4 is 1. Okay, so finally we can write 2 power 3, 3 power 4, 5 power 2, 7 power 1. Okay, this is the answer.